In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create spaces on Quora. A Quora Space is like a mini community or hub focused on a specific topic. It's a great way to collect questions, answers, and posts around an interest you care about and invite others to contribute. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can set up your own space with confidence. First, open your browser and go to the Quora website. Then log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your main Quora dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In that left column, you'll see an option labeled Create Space. Go ahead and click that. This is the starting point for building your new space. A window or page will open where you can set up the basic details. At the top, you'll see a field for the name of your space. Click into that name field and type in a clear, memorable name that reflects what your space is about. Try to keep it specific so people immediately understand the theme, like focusing on a niche topic rather than something too broad. Just below the name, you'll find a field for a brief description. Click into this description box and write a short summary of what people can expect in your space. Explain the main topic, the type of content you'll share, and who it's for. This helps potential followers quickly decide if your space is relevant to them. When you're happy with the name and description, look for the Create button and click it. Quora will then create your space with those settings. Next, you'll have the option to add contributors. You'll see a field where you can search by name. Click into that search field and start typing the names of people you'd like to invite as contributors. These are people who will be able to post and share content in your space. Alternatively, you'll notice an option to get an invite link. Next to that, there's a copy button. Click on copy to copy the invite link to your clipboard. You can then share this link directly with people you'd like to invite, for example, via email or messaging. If you're not ready to invite anyone yet, you can simply click on skip to move forward. After that, you'll land directly in your newly created space. From here, you can start posting content, customizing the space, and growing your community over time.